What's up, guys? So we got a couple things to do today. We're actually going to be taking the FC to get some food real quick, maybe some coffee. Gotta move the daily out of the way, and then also might have some things in store for this guy. So got a little bit of dirt on the tires last night. Just ended up driving it through my yard. Nothing major, but here she is. Gonna have a lot of fun with this thing when it's done. But let me get this car out of the way, and then we're gonna move those, take this guy out, probably start this, let it warm up a little bit. See how she likes the cold. Good enough. Probably might not be able to hear me, but we're gonna pull the FC in the garage. Problem with the garage door. We're probably gonna be installing the turn signals, so it'll be a little bit more street legal. Alright guys, so just finished some breakfast. Now going to finally be installing the turn signals that I bought online. Gotta do them, but probably gonna be taking the bumper off and sanding these down, because as you can tell, there's a couple spots that probably need to be hit again with some spray paint. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then hopefully these fit and we don't have run into any issues, but we'll see. I have all the hardware here for them, and we'll see how everything goes. So I'm gonna pop the bumper off quick. It should take a couple seconds. How it's gonna look. Still have to get the flip up, or the I think the flash to go, I think they're called. So when the lights are all the way down, and you flash somebody, your high beams, it actually shows out through here. Because if they're down, obviously you can't see through. So have to get these lenses still. They're a bit pricey. I can't find them anywhere. So luckily I found these off of a buddy on a Facebook page, and we'll get them in there for good now. figure out how these bolts. He gave me 2 washers, I think, for each, and a lock washer, which is super cool of him. Then we'll get these bad boys in. Still want to sand all this stuff down. Might I should have probably done that before I put the lights in, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm probably going to be getting another kit in the near future, so this one's probably going to be just for street. The other kit is going to be for when I go to the track and stuff. Just in case I do run off, because I believe, if I'm not wrong, this bumper is kind of rare and hard to find. I haven't been able to find it at all. Same thing with some of these other parts as well. Nice. But might also do some body work on plugging these holes so there's no water that gets in the trunk. That's where I keep all my stuff for my meth and my premix and everything. So if everything goes well, we'll possibly be doing some body work today too. So what? That's Mo. So we got the signals in completely. And I actually saw that the previous owner left the connectors on there. So we're going to try it out. Hopefully it works. Any luck? Nice. One more step to being street legal. Super stoked. Check the other side. Oh, yes. Now I can stop getting the middle finger from everyone that when I turn and don't use the signal. So stoked. So some unfortunate news, we had to pull the bumper off because the housings on the back were interfering with the bash bar. So I'm gonna be making some cuts on the bash bar. We're gonna be making a new one anyway, so hopefully everything fits. Gonna vacuum up the metal shavings, but for now, that's what she looks like. Like I said, I'm gonna be making a new one, so we'll probably have to incorporate the turn signals in there. Might have to like set it back or go down or something. We'll figure it out. We'll probably just mount it a little bit lower. But there she is. Now I'm going to mount the bumper onto the car. Plug everything in, get it all ready, and then test fit the wheels. Finally got the bumper back on. Good angle. They are sitting pretty. Gotta close this, see how it looks with the hood down. It's all about the technique. Gotta get those right. Can't just push them down. You gotta open. Let it sit nice and easy. Gotta cut the ties off, but other than that, super stoked on how these came out. Just love it when things actually go your way, go as planned. I'm gonna turn the lights on again. This is the first time. Oh, the light's already on. Oops. Stoked. Should have kept the bumper off thinking about it, because now I want to test fit the wheels, and it is a pain to do without having the front bumper off. Should have thought about that before, but oh well. Super excited. Oh my god. Look how good that looks. They're in there nice and strong too. Didn't do any of the body work. Gotta wait. Probably gonna get that other kit from a buddy of mine soon, as long as he still has it. And then I'll probably do all the body work at one time. One project at a time. Plus, also, update on this. My friend has the turbos in his possession. Just have to go pick them up. Pull the old manifold off. Throw those on. Garbage can. Just finish bolting all the small stuff on. Finish rewiring the battery relocate. And get this thing finished up and hopefully get it back on the road. It's been way too long. So that's a quick update on both of these, I guess. Stoked. Well, I'm gonna actually jack the car up now and try to test fit the wheel. So hopefully they fit. If not, she's getting raised. So I just jacked the car up, put the wheel on, and I cannot be more excited. This thing looks so sick on a full set of T's. Got the turn signals in now. Look at that. It looks so good. Clearance, it only hits the lower control arm on the inside, but that's common. I gotta tighten this up too. That obviously broke when I crashed, but that'll be tightened up. Everything, it looks so good though. Like, I don't even want to take it off. Oh my god. And the back one too. They look so good. Alright guys, that's all we got today. The turn signals are in. They look good. Got the T on the front. Looks so rad. Oh god. But I will be filming tomorrow. Gonna be bringing the Jeep in. We're going to be cutting up some of the pieces where it's rubbing, a little more clearance, and doing a couple more things to it. Just some small stuff to get it ready for the road. Other than that, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.